Driver score history and factors, covering how the numbers work, what you see step by step. The score chart tracks this driver's 0-100 score over time. Higher scores mean the driver is contributing more positively. A colored dot matching the driver's color appears next to the driver name. Below is an area chart showing how the driver's score has changed over time. The driver name in the URL determines which driver to display. The score time series comes from the projection history table, where each row stores all 5 driver scores alongside the projection. Strava tells you what you did. Garmin shows your data. PIRX tells you why it happened and what's next. Read the full guide at pirx.ca/docs and start your 14-day free trial today.